Thank you, Tom. I'm going to take us back today to the night of August 5th, 2012, where 150 million miles away, the Curiosity Mars rover is about to enter and complete its journey to the surface of Mars. Engineers at NASA have worked tirelessly for nearly a decade to make this day a possibility. We have executed countless simulations, tested every individual component, but the system as a whole is about to be tested for the first time. We can feel success on the horizon, we can taste the victory, but the smallest mistake can take it all away. Tonight, everything must be perfect. Millions of people are watching us from around the world, relying on us to safely land Curiosity. We have deployed web experiences and video streaming solutions on the cloud to share tonight with the whole world. Tonight, everything must be perfect, and tonight we either succeed remarkably or fail spectacularly. We eagerly look towards the sky with anticipation because we know that it all comes down to the next 7 minutes, the 7 minutes of terror. Having developed the data processing pipeline for Curiosity, tonight is the toughest test of my career. As soon as Curiosity lands, bits will flow through my pipeline to be processed, stored, and then distributed as images to the mission operators and scientists as well as the rest of the world. My heart is pounding as I steal a glance at the AWS health dashboard to ensure that all the services Curiosity relies on today are up and running. EC2, check. S3, check. SWF, check. VPC, ELB, autoscaling, Route 33, SimpleDB, RDS, check. CloudFront, CloudFormation, CloudWatch, check. It's showtime. The world watches with a video streaming solution deployed on the cloud, a solution that could withstand the failure of over a dozen data centers and still deliver the live video stream from JPL to you. A solution that can scale over a terabit per second, but one that only requires us to provision and pay for exactly as much capacity as we need. A solution that is possible today only due to the invention of cloud computing. The excitement builds around the world as Curiosity enters the Martian atmosphere and its temperature rapidly rises to over 1,600 degrees. I take a glance at our CloudWatch console to realize that our streaming solution has gone up to over 40 gigabits per second. I calmly launch into the CloudFormation stack to increase our capacity and register it to the Route 33 domain. Curiosity deploys its parachute at Mach 2 and our streaming solution exceeds 70 gigabits per second. I calmly launch into the CloudFormation stack. Curiosity jettisons its parachute and activates its jetpack as it approaches the surface. Back on Earth, we get a surprising call. The main JPL website, still running on traditional infrastructure, is crumbling under the crushing load of millions of excited users. We act quickly and route all JPL website traffic to the CloudFront-based Mars site. Our traffic exceeds to over 100 gigabits per second, but the cloud hasn't even started to sweat. No. The sweat is only on my forehead as I anxiously await the next bandwidth milestone so I can add more capacity. We are a scant 21 meters from the surface of Mars as Polyphony, our data processing pipeline, provisions EC2 nodes in anticipation of the bits coming to Earth. The Sky Crane lowers the rover down to the surface of Mars. Curiosity has landed on Mars. The whole world celebrates with us, and we are just as thrilled. We have made every JPLer, no, every NASA employee, no, every American proud. We have made humanity proud, for we have landed a 1-ton mobile lab on the surface of Mars. Mission accomplished, or is it? The landing engineers have been successful tonight, but my test has just begun. The bits flow from Curiosity to the Odyssey orbiter to the Deep Space Network and then finally into JPL. An intricate orchestration process coordinated by simple workflow magically causes nodes at JPL to upload these bits onto an S3 bucket. EC2 nodes pick up these bits and process them into images. These elastically provisioned EC2 nodes will process the images rapidly and within seconds of bits arriving to Earth. The first Mars images will be on your iPad, Android, and laptop screens around the world. On August 5th, we had 2 successes. We landed Curiosity on Mars, and we shared the first pictures from Mars with you in real time. You saw the first pictures from Mars at the same time that we did. Mission accomplished. Thank you.
Just as you would use your smartphone to take a self-portrait and send to your family, Curiosity extended its 6-foot arm and took a picture and sent it to its family, all of you. So this is the first self-portrait on Mars by a rover, and it would tell us it's healthy and it's now looking for signs of past life. On behalf of the JPLers and the NASA employees and everyone else who made this happen, we thank you for listening to our story.